Hello friends, welcome back to Invest with Ara. The stock being taken today is MANPASAND Beverages Limited. The Excel spreadsheet in front of you is an Excel program wherein we put financial data of a particular stock and arrive at a signal or a conclusion on to whether to invest in that particular stock or not at this point of time. The fundamental data are taken from an app known as the Stock Edge app. So let's go to MANPASAND Beverages Limited. We could see here the last traded price of MANPASAND Beverages Limited was 90 rupees 50 paise on 9th of November 2018. Now let's go to fundamental tab and understand about the sector, industry and the company. Sector is FMCG and industry is consumer good. Now let's understand about the company. We click on show profile tab. MANPASAND Beverage is a fruit drink manufacturing company with a primary focus on mango fruit, which is the leading flavor for juice drinks in India. The company has a wide distribution network that includes 73 consignee agents and 654 distributors spread across 24 states in India to whom the company sells directly. In addition, the company's consignee agents and distributors also engage a number of super stockists, other distributors and sub-distributors who distributes its product to a number of retail outlets. So this was about the company. Now let's go to the financial indicator. We'll be using this financial value onto our Excel program. The first is market cap, which is 1043.90 crores. Clearly a small cap company. The earning per share is 8.7. Price to earning ratio is 10.49. Industry price to earning ratio is 23850.01. This is a vague value, so we need to cross check it. We go to Google Chrome, we type in MANPASAND Beverages Money Control. Here we could see that the standalone price to earning ratio of the company is 10.48, whereas the industry price to earning ratio is 45.01. So we use this 45.01 here. The book value per share is 112.21. Price to book value is 0.81. Dividend yield is 0.55. Face value is 10. And number of shares subscribed is 11.45 crores. So overall financial indicator has given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now coming on to return ratio. For that, click on ratios tab. And we could see the return ratio. The first is return on equity, which is 8.33. Return on capital employed is 9.68. Return on asset is 7.67. So overall return ratio has not given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now coming on to efficiency ratio, the first is EBITDA margin, which is 21.72. EBIT margin is 12.65. PAT margin is 10.47. Earning per share is 8.74. This is a trailing EPS. Asset turnover ratio is 0.73. Days of receivables is 40.98. Days of payables is 24.54. Days of inventory is 30.05. So overall efficiency ratio has given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now coming on to growth ratio, the first is net sales growth, which is 35.22. EBITDA growth is 31.55. Net profit growth is 37.67. And EPS growth is 37.63. So overall growth ratio has given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now coming on to solvency ratio, the most important ratio in shortlisting any of the stocks. First is total debt to equity, which is 0.08. When we click on 0.08, we get to know that total debt on the company is 95.53 crores. In comparison to previous year, the debt has increased, whereas the net worth of the company is 1246.53 crores. The interest coverage ratio is 41.37. When we click on 41.37, we get to know that the earnings before income tax has increased considerably and is 120.82 crores, whereas the interest that the company is paying yearly is 2.92 crores. Current ratio is 2.53. So overall solvency ratio has given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now coming on to cash flow ratio, the first is cash flow per share, which is 3.23, and the free cash flow per share is negative 23.34. So overall cash ratio has also given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now coming on to valuation ratio, the first is price to earning ratio, which is 42.26, price to book ratio is 3.39, price to cash flow ratio is 114.15, EV to EBITDA ratio is 20.72, and market cap to sales ratio is 4.46. So overall valuation ratio has also given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now the program in its entirety has given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Hope you might have liked this video. If you have liked this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.